The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung's latest flagship, is the top model in the Galaxy S series, succeeding the Galaxy S23 Ultra. While not the most expensive Samsung phone, that title goes to the Galaxy Z Fold 5, it still falls into the premium category. Pricing for the Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,299 for the base model with 256GB storage. If you want more storage, the 512GB version is $1,419.99, and the 1TB option is $1,659.99, both coming with 12GB of RAM. Compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the starting price has increased by $100 in the US and $250 Australian dollars in Australia, with no change in the UK. This makes the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra one of the priciest non-foldable phones, surpassing the iPhone 15 Pro Max in most regions.